Hello everyone, so today we are going to make this drawing. Okay, I will show you step by step. You just follow my instruction. First, one horizontal line for the flower vase or flower pot. Okay, so like this we are going to do step by step. One curved line, same thing we are going to repeat. Okay, again one flower, same technique. Here also one flower, same technique. One standing line for the stem, then leaf, so some small line in the middle we will add. Okay, then we can start coloring. Here also we will make a wave line. Now we will use yellow color step by step from one side. Okay children, see, step by step from one side. Color should not go out of the border. Okay, कलर लाइन से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. स्टेप बाय स्टेप करना ऐसे. Now I will use dark yellow. Now I will use orange color to make the middle portion dark. Now here I am going to use the pink color lightly. This is dark pink I am using, then light pink also. So we will mix three color here. Okay, so now this is violet color I am using here. Let dark in some area. Now I'm going to use here orange color. Now this is red color I am using here. Done. So now here dark green for the stem I am using. Slowly from one side. Okay children, color should not go out of the border. And leaf also I am using light green and dark green. First light green, then I will use dark green. Okay, थोड़ा dark green यूज करना dark area के लिए. Now here I am using dark blue, purple and light blue. Okay, this purple color I am using. I have not changed the direction. Slipping direction I am doing here step by step. And left hand side I have made dark, then gradually light. Okay, now this is dark violet. That was light violet, but this is dark violet I am using. So the right hand side I have made light, and here also I will use the same color. Left hand side I have made dark, and right hand side gradually light. Now here I will use dark blue and light blue. Okay, first I will use dark blue in dark area, means left hand side I will use dark blue, then right hand side I will use light blue, say like this. And here also we will use same thing. This is dark area, so like this you are going to do. Now here I am using light green color, slipping direction. Okay, slipping direction karna hoga. Then I will use some little bit dark green to make the shadow. Here I am using black and brown for the middle portion, the flower. So like this you have to finish. Okay children, so bye bye.